Welcome to another GL Communications product demonstration video. In this video, we will demonstrate the TProbe, which is our versatile hardware platform for analog and TDM telecommunications testing. Here we will demonstrate how to send and receive and analyze analog signals using the VF ports. The TProbe has two T1E1 ports for TDM traffic generation and analysis. The TProbe also contains two independent voice frequency, or VF, ports for analog testing. The VF interface can be a 3.5 mm cable or a Bantam cable. The TProbe is configured from a PC via the USB connection. The TProbe can transmit and receive signals simultaneously, including tones, digits, and audio files. It also contains a third-party software called Goldwave for listening, viewing, and analyzing audio files, along with an SS1 emulator and analyzer with capture, record, and playback capabilities. In this simple demonstration, we will explore the VF inputs and outputs. Specifically, the output of port 1 will be connected to the input of port 2, and the input of port 1 will be connected to the output of port 2. We will demonstrate the ability to send and receive tones, digits, and audio files. We will also demonstrate the SS1 emulator and analyzer. Now we will show the TProbe software. Simply click on the desktop icon to launch the software. To see the spectral display for each VF port for both the transmitting and receiving directions, click Action, Configuration, and check the corresponding boxes under the Display Spectral tab. The TProbe allows you to receive tones, digits, and files, as well as transmit tones, digits, and files. Furthermore, you can record the received traffic by clicking Start. You can do this for both ports independently. Now let's send tones. For port 2, we'll send a tone at 2000 Hz. For port 1, we'll send a tone at 803 Hz. Click Start to begin transmission. Notice that port 2 receives the tone transmitted from port 1. Similarly, port 1 receives the tone transmitted from port 2. You can also specify the tone duration. Let's demonstrate a continuous tone. Note that each received tone is timestamped. Now let's demonstrate how to send and receive DTMF digits. Click the Receive Digits tab for the inputs and click the Transmit Digits tab for the outputs. Simply specify the digits and then click Start. Notice that the receiving side successfully detects the dialed digits. Let's briefly demonstrate this by transmitting digits from port 1 as well. You can also send and receive continuous digits. Now let's demonstrate how to send and receive files. Click the Receive File tab for the inputs and click the Transmit File tab for the outputs. You can browse from a pre-recorded set of audio files. Then click Start to send the audio file. You can also play the recorded audio. Now let's explore the SS1 Analyzer and Dialer. Click Configure Setup to begin configuring the digits to dial. You can select either 2-digit dial codes or 3-digit dial codes. Under the Port Time Slot Selection tab, you can select which time slot and which VF port to send the dialed digits. To run the analyzer, simply click Run. Now let's run the SS1 Dialer. Here we select which SS1 digits to dial. Click Send to send the digits. Now in the SS1 Analyzer window, you can observe the dialed digits. You can also right-click on a dial code to get more details. Furthermore, by right-clicking on the dial code, you can see the spectral display. So this is how you can send and analyze SS1 digits. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the TProbe or any of our analog or TDM test solutions, please contact us. We look forward to hearing from you.